Assalamu alaikum viewers. We are watching playing cricket. DJ5 bonam BRC. BRC is bowling. DJ5 is batting. Sharjan Sharif is team captain of BRC. BRC is fielding well. DJ5 also batting well. They are batting very well. They has taken more runs in battings. Turan is batting now. Turan is bowling now. There is no run in this ball. Rakib is a wicket keeper. She is a good wicket keeper. Catch the ball very well. Next bowling is coming. Wow! He has taken one wicket of DJFI. Good bowler. All out of DJFI.